I've been debating for the last 2 days about this video and just about the language on this video, because my backpacking Thailand trip is behind the corner, and I was thinking that my mother tongue is Swedish, but I'm making videos in Finland where the most used language is of course Finnish, but I don't feel like doing any subtitles because that's work. That's extra work. So I decided to do this in English. So in this video, I'll be showing you what I'm taking on with me for my backpacking trip to Thailand, Asia, and I'm gonna be traveling for a month. It's my first ever solo backpacking trip, and I am very much excited. I'm a mom of two. I have an 8-year-old and a 6-year-old back home, and my husband is staying home with the kids for the month that I'm away. And I'm very much looking forward to just reading, sleeping, eating, working, and all stuff a mom enjoys on her spare time. On the side of my normal life, with my kids and my family, I'm also an entrepreneur. I invest in real estate. I have a company that has different events. I host podcasts. So a lot of my job I can do on my laptop. So as I say, working on my holiday, I mean that I want to keep my businesses running when I'm on my trip. But in this video, I'll be sharing what I'm taking with me, and I hope that if you figure out something that's missing, you let me know, because I still have like 72 hours to correct that. But yeah, let's get started. All my stuff fit in this. It's an Eagle Creek travel companion, and all my clothes are packed in this packing cube. So I think we'll start with the clothes. An orange dress, a blue by Pia's dress, some biker shorts, a gray t-shirt, green shorts, some more fancy shorts, tube top for taking sun, t-shirt in blue, just a simple black top, some white shorts, black capri trousers, a red skirt, and a white shirt, and a black training t-shirt from Stronger. So that's the first packing cube. Then I also have some toiletries. This Muru Muru sunscreen, which I love. I was also gifted these Madara sunscreens for the trip, and Madara is one of my favorite brands. A miscellaneous bag filled with toiletries. There's some deodorant, perfume, a toothbrush, toothpaste, hand cream, body lotion, and then of course some shampoo and conditioner and some hair oil. That was the toiletries. Then of course some underwear. I will be bringing 7 pairs of knickers and 4 pairs of socks. I hope it will be enough. And of course a PJ, some bras, actually 3 bras, and then also training shorts and a head band or head bandana or whatever you call it. I'm also bringing bikinis and swimsuits, and they're from the brand HallaXhalla, which is a Finnish brand. So there's a 1 set and a bathing suit and a new black bathing suit, and then I also have 1 more bikini that's packed in my carry-on just in case the luggage, well, disappears on the way there. And then I also have a collaboration with HallaXhalla, so I have 2 more sets in the mail that I hope that will arrive before the trip. A beach towel, 2 pairs of sunnies, both are from the brand Chimi. My toothbrush, electrical and charger for it. A travel pack of Idoform to not get sick. The thing that's taking up most space in my bag is actually books. When I travel, I like to read because that is a way for me to recharge and just be more productive and get more energy, more ideas, and that's stuff I need for my business. So on this trip, I'm actually bringing a lot of books, and I'll show you all the books I'm taking with me. The first one is from Jenna Kutcher, How Are You Really? Build Your Reputation. The 1-page marketing plan. Give and Take, and that's from Adam Grant. Tribes from Seth Godin. Traction from Wickman. Be Obsessed or Be Average by Cardone. I know this is a lot of books to carry for a month, and they're gonna be heavy and I might regret it later, but I think I'll regret it even more if I don't pack them and if I don't take them. And usually I read about 2 to 3 books a week. So yeah, this should be just enough, and hopefully I get through them all. I do have, of course, audiobooks, but that's just not the same. Maybe I'm the only one who still reads paper books. When it comes to shoes, I'll be flying over in my sneakers. They're actually like tracking shoes, sneakers. And then I'll be bringing my flippers. And I think I'll manage just fine with 2 pairs of shoes. And shoes are a thing that take up a lot of space. So when I travel, I try not to bring too many of them. As my carry-on, I'll be taking this black bag. And in this, I'll be carrying all my electronics and valuables. We'll also have a different small bag for my wallet, my phone, and the stuff I want to keep close. So in this bag, I'll have my notebook, some pens, my laptop, external hard drive, the camera I'm filming on right now, and it's a Canon G7X. My gorilla stand for taking, well, selfies or videos or anything when you travel along. I have a small bag, a packing cube actually, with a lot of miscellaneous, well, cables for most. I also have 1 external power bank, just in case I need it. The charger for my Polar watch. And of course, chargers for my computer, charger for the camera batteries, and my neck pillow. Yeah. Hopefully this will be enough, and hopefully I have everything that I actually need. And tomorrow is the day I think I'll be closing the bags, And after that, well, it's time to actually get on the plane and start this adventure. I will be trying to film some short clips over there. You can also watch the trip on my Instagram if you want to. I'll put the link in the description. But yeah, I'm looking forward to it. It feels like it's been a long time coming. I decided on this trip almost a year ago, and now it's finally here. And because December has been so hectic, it feels like I haven't even had the time to just sit down and realize that, hey, I'm actually going. But I'm really excited. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like if you want to see more of my videos. Thank you. See you later. Bye.